Hi, I am Paul with Swisher Contract Manufacturing. Here at Swisher, we provide metal fabrication, welding, custom powder coating, assembly, packaging, and distribution. We can also provide total turnkey manufacturing solutions to help you or your company achieve your project goals. We handle all the volumes from prototypes to small or large volume production. Whatever your needs, we've got you covered and look forward to assisting you in achieving your goals. Located in Warrensburg, Missouri, we are centrally located in the U.S. and can be central to your future. Visit our website at swishercmfg.com or call our team at 660-422-6020. Our team looks forward to working with you or your company today.